Hi everyone, welcome to AK System channel. Continue with our exercise video. I'm going to create a floor plan today. This is the floor plan that I will create. Without further ado, let's start the exercise. First of all, I will create a rectangle as an exterior wall with a length of 1000 and height 800. After that, using offset command to make the thickness with 20 units. Now, let's continue with the interior wall and the rooms. Type L for line and enter EXT for extension because I want to start the line from here. Enter 500 for the length and 300 for the height. After that, draw another room by using the same method. Line command and extension for 300 and the height also 300. Create a wall for the toilet too. You can turn on the auto mode to ensure the line is straight. Continue with the kitchen. This kitchen I will put 400 with 300. Now, we will use offset to create the interior wall. But for the interior wall, I will put 10 units as the thickness. Okay, now use trim command to cut the wall. Alright, now we will insert the door and windows for the floor plan. But before this, we need to break the wall first. I will use line and extension commands again. Run the command and I put one window that 100 units away from the corner. You have to know where you want to put the door and windows so you can add the door and windows easily. Same with other windows and doors. I will use line and extension commands to do it. Okay, we can use offset to create another line and you can save a lot of time. For the offset value, I will put 75 because this is the size of the windows and door that I will use. Use the trim command again to cut the wall. Now, we have broken the wall and we can insert the doors and windows by typing the insert command. A block palette will show, and just select the door that you want to insert and select the insert point. For this door, we can use the mirror command to rotate it. Same to the windows, just select the windows from the block palette and select the insert point. Okay, now using text to label the room. I will use single line text here. Enter 20 for the text height and select the direction. Now, enter the room name. Continue with others room by using the same method. Alright, now we have done the floor plan exercise for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to AutoCAD System channel to watch more video lessons.